Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making turkey bacon with veggies egg muffins. I've already sprayed my muffin pan. I'm using 10 eggs mixed with Parmesan cheese. I'll be using jalapenos, spinach, and parsley. Adding cheddar cheese. I already got a head start on cooking the potatoes, red and green bell peppers, onions seasoned with salt and pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add the turkey to the muffin pan. I'll be using 2 turkey baking slices for each muffin. I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetables. Adding a few cheddar cheese. Adding spinach to the Parmesan cheese and the eggs. You can go ahead and preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll be cooking the egg muffins at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Add a few cheddar cheese. I'm going to go ahead and make 3 of the muffins with jalapeno, make it a little bit spicy. A few parsley. The egg muffins are done. This is how it should look. Cooked at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and plate it, and I will be back. This is the final results. I hope you try this recipe. If you do, please comment below on how it turned out. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Please subscribe. Thank you.